Assalamu alaikum, grade 5. How are you? This is your mathematics class and I am your teacher, Miss Sylvia. Today we are going to just give the introduction related to your book, workbook and your syllabus, and then we will discuss some topic. Alright. So come to your book. This is your book, Primary Mathematics book 5. This is workbook and this is book 5. This is your textbook. Alright. Actually you have two workbooks are there, 5A and 5B. So we will first complete it 5A as we will complete it in the first term, and then the 5B we will complete inshallah in the final term. Alright. So come to the content or syllabus which we will discuss inshallah in the first time. The first chapter, which is numbers up to million. Alright. Million, you can say 100,000. Then 4 operation, of course you must know the 4 operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So 4 operation which are very important in mathematics we will discuss inshallah. And then you have the algebra. Yes, algebra is the new thing which is just coming in your grade 5. We will discuss inshallah. And then fractions you have, and then after fraction you have ratio and area, triangle and volume. So these are the chapters which we will discuss inshallah in the first term, and the next topics, the remaining topics we will cover in final term. Okay. Come to the chapter number 1, that is number up to 10 million. Okay. As the counting you have done in the previous classes, you know the counting, so many things you have done related to place value chart. You have done 10,000, of course you have done. Now I'm just giving you the review related to the place value chart. So the first thing is that when you are starting the place value chart, the ones position is there, then tens position, then hundreds, then thousand, then 10,000, then 100,000. So this is very important whenever you have the bigger number like this. So you must put it in a form of place value. Then you can easily write it in a form of words also. See, I have just distinguished you with the help of color, like 5 representing you with the 100,000, then blue with the 10,000, then 1,000, then 100, then tens, and then ones. So see, after 5 you just count it how many places values are there. So see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after 5 you will put 5 zeros, then after 4 you will put 4 zeros, and then 3 zeros, and then after 600 2 zeros, and then 20 and 5. So the thing is that you just separate these things like this. You will just write thousands position with like this, and then these position with like this, 100 with the form of ones. So when you talk about this, so you just distinguish 625, and you can just write it 5, 4, 3, and how many zeros are there. So you will just, after 3 you have 3 places, so you will put 3 zeros. So in this way you must know the place value chart which is given in your book also on page number 1. Check it counting into million, and 10,000 is there, then ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, then 100,000. Of course, when you talk about the 100,000, it will become million. So here they are showing you some examples by the help of which you can understand the concept of million. See, 100,000 means 100,000, of course 100 means you will just write 2 zeros, and then 1,000 3 zeros, so you are putting 5 zeros at a time. 2 zeros, 200,000. Alright, 100,000, 200,000, 300,000, 400, 500, like this. They are just showing you the how many zeros are coming after the 100,000. Alright, so just go through it, and then here after 900,000 here come 1 million. Of course 10,100,000 they are showing, then 10,100,000 means 1 million. Alright, this is 10,100,000, 10,100, not the 10,000. They are showing you 10,100,000. See, here the place value are showing 10,000, then 10,100,000, then it will make 1 million. Alright. Come to the page number 4. Here again they are showing you the another example for explaining you. So just go through this example and write it like this: 3, 1, 2, 6, 9, 5. They are showing you with the help of colors, so you can easily understand. And then they are writing in a form of words: 312,695. Of course, when you are writing, so you will just separate this 695 and then this. Of course, when 312 is there, so you will put the zeros. Okay, so in this way you can easily do it. Again, you have the next page, page number 5. You have to give in the another example and showing you the how you will write it in a form of words. So you just go through this page and come to the 4, in which you have just some missing things are there, which you have to do it by yourself. So you will write it like this: 513. Of course, when you write it 513, so you put the zeros, how many zeros will come, all right. And then in a word you will write it 513,000 and then 924. As I am telling you, you will just separate it and then easily write it in a form of words, all right. So in this way you just go through these pages and just revise it. We will meet inshallah in next class with the next topic. Take care. Allah Hafiz.